Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project I Stay by Star Wings located in Andheri East, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. Also to my left is the actual land parcel of the project where the construction has already started. In this video, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, carpet area, master plan, floor plan analysis, parking, maintenance, possession, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres that will have total of 8 towers which will be developed altogether. Now they are launching the new launch tower with ground plus 21 floors having 2 BHK premium residences. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Seven Hills Hospital, Andheri East, from where Seven Hills Hospital is at a distance of 2 minutes, Marol Metro Station is at a distance of 5 minutes, Marol Aqua Line Metro is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from the project. Now speaking of amenities, first in internal amenities you will be getting vitrified tiles, granite kitchen platforms, stainless steel sink and many more. And speaking of external amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have an infinity swimming pool, gymnasium, senior citizen zone, kids play area, indoor games, banquet hall, basketball court, cricket turf and many more amenities within the project. And now let's have a look at the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of I Stay project. Here you can see tower F and E. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan of tower F with each floor having 8 flats, 3 lifts and 1 staircase on each floor. Let's now have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 1 BHK of 406 square feet and this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 611 square feet. And now let's talk about the maintenance part. The maintenance varies with configuration with 1 BHK maintenance ranging between 3,000 to 4,000 per month and 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 7,000 to 8,000 per month. Also, let's talk about the possession part. The RERA possession date for the project is of October 2028, but the target possession is for December 2027. And to know about the pros and cons of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project I Stay by Star Wings located in Andheri East, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.